In this vlog, I want to show you how easy it is to replace the MOBOTIX intercom for a frogTerminal, the new intercom from frogblue. Let's go! As you have seen, within 5 minutes I replaced the MOBOTIX intercom for the new frogTerminal, the new intercom from frogblue. If you want to know all about this fantastic intercom, check out our website or contact us. And don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about these fantastic updates. Hope to see you again in the next video. Bye!